January 2019, I get a random phone call from a guy with a heavy, thick French accent
Yeah, guilty.
telling me that he's starting this business of online tire selling and wants me to be a installer. And I listened half-heartedly to his sales pitch, and I'm like, okay, he's going to send me some information via email. Okay, sends me the information. I'm like, okay, $20 a tire install. Okay, interesting. So then I call around to some of the other shops in town. As a matter of fact, I called 6 other shops, which you had called.
Yeah.
You reached out to
course.
everybody. You're a diligent guy. This guy is a driver. He's an entrepreneur, but a businessman, and he's reached out to everybody in town. And all of the shops that I talked to said, "This is crazy. Why would you do this? No, we're not going to do it." Every one of them said no. I then reached out to my staff and said, "What do you guys think?" And guess what they all said, Martin?
Don't do this.
Don't do it. Are you nuts? Why would we do it for only $20 a tire? That's insane. Some tires takes longer. He's only willing to do this. This is crazy. But I saw something, and I knew something would be good. So what did we do?
And we did a partnership, and we start from there.
We signed up and said, here's what I want. I want a 5-kilometer radius around my shop that I'm the only shop, because when you take off, it wasn't if you take off, when you take off, I want to be exclusive to my area. And you've held up to that.
Yep.
I appreciate that. So for those that don't know, Black Circles is very much like Amazon.